Here you go, Micah. Here you go, my crippled little buddy. Yep. Oh. Okay. Now for you, Tolly. What do you got? Yeah. Okay. Got chunks. Yeah. What's this? Is this for you? No. Is this for you? Huh? Is this for you? There you go. What do you want, Kia? Oh, is this for you, Kia? Is this for you, Kia? Huh? Is this for you? Come on, Kia. Come. Here you go. Is that good, Tolly? Of course, here's Micah, the crippled. Hey, Mikey. The crippled. The feet that don't work. The guy that's stressing me out. Oh well.